What's good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video. And today, kind of laid back day. But I might have some rain coming in, as you can see by the clouds, the sky. So it got to be laid back day. But anyway, getting everything ready for the to get the engine put in. So today we're gonna be cleaning off the transmission and just bringing it back to life. Said, man, it's something to do. I want to do it while it's out anyway. So we're gonna hit it with that degreaser, some warm water, and the scrub brush, and we're gonna make it do what it do. But look at Monte Carlo, man. If y'all didn't see the pressure washing video, with probably then some of y'all didn't, man. The Monte Carlo just look different, man. That pressure washer is right. Look at this thing. Every time I look at the one and look at it now, I'm like, man, this thing here just don't even look like the same car, man. It's too bright. It's too bright, man. That pressure washer and that super clean degreaser, all that black stuff off that trunk and out that hood, man. It'll make the whole car just brighter. Even the front, look at it. I mean, the front still got something left, but see, I wasn't focused on trying to just get it all the way perfect. I mean, I could, but look at that. I just put grease right on it. I don't know. I might go back over it later. I mean, when I don't be having nothing to do, I just get out here and start doing stuff. But look at the Monte Carlo, man. That thing look different. It look too different. But I had to get it together, cause at least had wifey looking decent when we put the engine in. Cause the engine going in this week. Cause y'all know we got it ready to pull out of meats right here. I could have pulled it out today, but say it's been gloomy and I was thinking it's gonna rain, so I might well just clean the transmission up today, something light and easy, give y'all something. And if you're on Facebook, make sure, if you into the content, y'all know I got my J Malcolm 2004 Rides Facebook page, where I post little small excerpts from this channel, but I'm gonna start putting racing vlogs on there. Well, when I go to the tracks and you can see the races on there and stuff like that, those vlogs gonna be exclusive to that page, the J Malcolm 2004 Rides Facebook. They're gonna be exclusive to that page, so they won't be posted anywhere else. And I just went to LGI Fest, big rim event, so you know, got some stuff on there, so y'all might want to go check that out if you got a Facebook. But yeah, that's it. I'm about to get everything together. I'm gonna get the transmission put on this cardboard. Cause last time, man, I had grease running all down through the driveway. So yeah, we're gonna get this moved over here, and then we're gonna get to it. All right, y'all, checking in. I see my boy CJ pulled up on me over here. We just got done knocking out a video for the Real Talk channel. So y'all gotta make sure y'all go over there and check that out. But I just had to show y'all the Impala, man. So I ate while he over here, and he pulled this out today.
My trophy, man. It's my trophy.
Yeah, trophy. Yeah, y'all, you got to go over to the Real Talk channel and man, check out his story. Like, he told the whole story on how he came up and everything. So y'all definitely need to check that out. Solid dude and everything. But yeah, that what he in today, man. My boy about to hit the track. I said I can't hit it today. I just came back from North Carolina, man. But we about to try to get this thing right here together. So I'm gonna be cleaning the transmission up as I told y'all earlier. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, we checking in. So y'all see the before. I'll make some of my magic happen. It ain't nowhere near as bad as the transmission that was in Big Meats though. But I'll show y'all the before now. We about to get to it. Alright, y'all, we got my purple power and my hot water. J Malcolm transmission restoration. Hey, I'm gonna have all type of business when it's all said and done, y'all. I wish I had some of that super clean stuff, the one I was telling y'all about in the when I did the tool review. I wish I had some of that. Yep, y'all. Like I said, I wish I had some of that super clean stuff. Cause it worked better. It worked way better than this. But I tell y'all what, today, on today's video, if you're not subscribed to my Real Talk channel, you might want to go over there and check that out. I got a I keep saying I don't want to call it an interview, but I guess it is. But I got an interview dropping today at 2 o'clock with my bro CJ. One got the clean El Camino and the fast. Y'all gotta hear his story. Need some motivation, some real motivation. You wanna hear a real story? It's like a movie. Go check it out. You need to go check that out, I'm telling you now. I got that dropping today at 2 over there on that channel. Yeah, that thing here greasy. I guess I'm ready to bring it back to life, y'all. I don't know, we're gonna see. And most of the time on transmission, the grease be thick up here. Y'all know what I just thought about? I ought to use that pressure washer. I use that pressure washer, it'll knock all this off. I might do that. Might hook the pressure washer up and knock it off. Oh yeah, cause it'll knock all that off. That's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna scrub it. We're gonna scrub it first, y'all, with this warm water. Then I'm gonna hook the pressure washer up and knock the rest of it off. Make it look brand new. And we gotta cut the ears off too right there. Definitely gotta do that. Yeah, y'all, I think I'm gonna go ahead and hook that pressure washer up. We're gonna get all this stuff off. Stay tuned. I ain't see the pressure washer. I'm doing. So I gotta take a break, food break. Shout out to Wing Familiar. Got to show y'all this the mild. We got lemon pepper. Wifey bring lemon pepper out here. He's a subscriber, so Wing Familiar. Wings Familiar, so let me see though. Y'all got to try these things out if you enjoyed. Trying to get their business going. Still delicious, man. Wings Familiar. Like I said, got to shout them out. Had to show them love. Told them I'm gonna show them love. I'm gonna put a picture of the menu up too, right now. And said gonna throw the clip in the vlog right after this. Cause like I said, dude, man, it's still good. It good too. I said I'll take my lunch break. So I like, man, I gotta throw this in there. I got to. So y'all hit up their Facebook page. You on Facebook, go shoot them a like. You in Georgia, hit them up. I'm telling you, there's some good wings. The food good. They sell fish, all of that. Y'all saw all that on the menu. They sell all of that. So throw that clip in their vlog so y'all can check it out. But I had to show them love. So y'all stay tuned.
This is O'Brien with Wings Familiar. I'm just coming to y'all to let y'all know I just started up probably about 3 weeks ago. I got some real good food, wings, fish. I'm talking about good food. If you want some, if you're looking for good food, just holler at me. You can reach me at 470-319-33818. Just give me a call. Let me know what you need. I'm open from Friday to Sunday from 1 to 10. I'm doing Eaton and Athens, Georgia area. You can just reach out to me, let me know what you want, and I'll provide it for you. I do catering too, so if you need that for like a game or your job, let me know, and I can provide it for you. All right.
All right, y'all see, we ain't good. See, we already tore that one down. Trying something to mild. You know what he doing. I'm telling you. But for real, y'all need to hit him up. Like I said, hit him up, support him. Everybody like to eat. I'm saying, bro, hit him up and support him for real. Wings Familiar. I'm gonna be shopping with him. Cause they good. And wifey, she got sauce all around her mouth behind the camera. The kids, come here. They good, ain't
Yes.
they really ate most of the lemon pepper. They told them damn, they told the whole family like them. My in-law, everybody. So Wings Familiar. I'm telling you, man, they Malcolm rock with it. So y'all go support them. Go hit that like on that Facebook page. All right, y'all. We checking in. Y'all see, I got the transmission all clean as it gonna get. It look better than what it did, but I mean that grease I wasn't about to keep scrubbing on it. Then it started raining out here, so we got it look clean. Like I said, a little something to do. I'm gonna pop the converter back in it so I make sure no dust get in that converter, none of that. But like I said, it's starting to rain and sprinkle, which I knew it was coming. That's why I told y'all I wasn't about to start getting into no heavy rinsing and all that, and I knew the rain was coming. See, now it's picking up. So we got the transmission ready. Tomorrow it's gonna be sunny, so when y'all come back over here tomorrow, believe me, the engine gonna be out of big meats, and the engine is gonna be sitting in the Monte Carlo. Trust me, I'm on schedule. I'm ahead of schedule really, cause originally I was supposed to been doing this Tuesday, but I'm gonna be able to start on it Monday. So taking the engine out tomorrow, hooking it up to this transmission, putting the mount on transmission, and literally setting it in Monte Carlo. Just like that. Boom, boom, boom. We rolling. So I'm setting in Monte Carlo. We're gonna hook the headers up, bolt the transmission down, put the motor mount bolts in, then we're gonna call it a day for that video right there. In the next video, we might have oil pressure. I ain't gotta put no time, light, none of that on. So a fuel pump. I got to get a fuel pump. So we got to go get a fuel pump tomorrow. I'm gonna put a manual fuel pump on her car. instead of mounting an electric pump and running wire and all that. So we're gonna go with a manual pump. So I gotta go pick that up, get that, and a fuel pump rod, and that'll be it. We're gonna be good to go. So yep, that's it for today, man. Like I said, I appreciate CJ for coming through today. So y'all saw his car a little bit. Make sure to go over to the Life of J Malcolm channel and go check out that interview. Then shout out to Wings Familiar for the meal. Man, that stuff was real good. Like I said, go follow them on Facebook. Go like them, hit the number up. Man, it's the food really good for real, and it's good service too. And it's a subscriber, a supporter. So y'all know, I really feel like we a big family over here, man. Everybody support everybody. Y'all know every time I meet somebody, I show them love on camera. If they don't mind being on camera, I show them love, man. I try to put y'all in the vlog. I got to shout out everybody up in South Carolina, cause they showed a lot of love, man. It's crazy. It's like when I go to a different state, I get way more love than I normally get locally. And I guess it's because people see me at tracks around here all the time, so it's like, you know, they're just Jay, which that's what it is anyway. Ain't nobody special, but it like I get overwhelmed with love when I go out of state, and I really appreciate it. I really appreciate everybody that come up and speak, and I appreciate talking to everybody. And I really be feeling like I already know everybody. No lie. Whenever I meet somebody that watched the video, I already feel like I know them. So I really do appreciate everybody coming to speak and all this stuff. So the next place I'm gonna be at a track. If you want to link up with me at a track, I'm gonna be at Silver Dollar Motorsports Park, Reynolds, Georgia, at Easy Money Race. My boy Easy, I gotta go support him. That's my boy. So I'm gonna be at Easy Race, getting it in and all of that, vlog and all that good stuff. So y'all gonna be out there, man. I ain't never met you. Holler at me and everything, man. I love to talk to everybody. And yeah, I guess that's it for today. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.